I'm introducing a groundbreaking solution that will change the way you attend online meetings forever. Let's face it, Zoom meetings can be a battleground for self-consciousness, whether it's worrying about a messy room, personal appearance, or those awkward jittery movements. The stress can be overwhelming. But what if you could attend every meeting with confidence? That's where AI avatars come in. Imagine an avatar representing you, handling all the visual aspects of a meeting while you focus solely on what matters, your presentation and interactions. No more obsessing over how you look or whether your background is presentable. An AI avatar offers a consistent, professional appearance, erasing any anxiety about being on camera. It's perfect for those days when you're not camera ready, but still need to make a stellar impression. Plus, it eliminates any awkwardness from physical distractions, ensuring that your meetings are productive and focused. I understand the struggle because I've been there. That's why I'm passionate about helping you make the change. I'm PowerNap, your DIY AI guy. Reach out now and let's set up your personalized AI avatar together. We'll transform your virtual presence and take your online interactions to new heights. Embrace the future of online communication. With your AI avatar, step into each meeting with confidence and control. Say goodbye to camera anxiety and hello to a new era of virtual interactions. I'm here to guide you every step of that way. That's a wrap with PowerNap. Stay ahead of the curve and keep revolutionizing your AI digital presence. Cheers.